For drawing a bird, you just have to make the crisscross body as shown here, then number 3, and then fill it with some circular shape that will represent the eyes and beak is too little. Feathers setting on the tree branch as shown here. This one is so easy. Draw the patterns around the feathers. Fill its body with some beautiful colors. Now we are going to trace down the oceanic fish. For this we are drawing the two smaller eyes that are the circles actually, then the U-shaped body and the patterns inside. Don't forget to draw the fins. Thanks for watching the K4 Media and Technologies. We will come up with more such drawing ideas for your kids. Till then, bye bye. For this one we are using the maroon colored sketch pen and we are drawing the circles of the different sizes. This will represent the body of the ant. Then using a black marker we are going to add the details like the antennae, eyes and some of the little legs as shown here. This one is so easy and it's less time consuming, best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Now using the circular stencil again, we are going to create the circles as shown here using a marker or a pencil. Then we are going to draw the different creatures like the crab, fish, owl, etc. in just few simple steps. This one is so easy and it's less time consuming as we are using a stencil for tracing down the circles. This one is best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 10. It's very easy. Fill the body of each creature using the different colors. I am using the sketch colors. You can choose the crayon, pencil or the watercolors also. Difficulty level for this one is very easy and you can write well.